So we're going for Agafay desert. There will be quad bike and camel ride and dinner as well. So we will go in a minute. The tour 3:35, sorry, 3:35 to until maybe 6-7 o'clock in the evening. So we booked it by like 3-4 days ago. So it's now done.
And Tanfer.
Yeah, Tanvir 4, yeah.
4 people, yeah. 4 people.
Yeah.
Alexander.
لا 3 3 ici.
Olivia.
3
We're leaving for Agafay now. It's like 3:35 and we go. So I'll try my best to make a little bit video guys for you. And that's it. And this is outside weather. Like the sun is really hot. So no, that's fine. That's fine. Where is it? It's nearly 1 hour journey. Sleeping, when we sleep like this. First time.
For the camels, guys, you have 20-minute camels, do attack with camels with desert. After you finish, you go to another stop in the quad bike. For the quad bike, guys, it's machine automatic, it's easy. You have 30 people for one quad, 1 hour in the road. After the middle of the road, you have stop 3 people for one quad, 1 hour in the road. After the middle of the road, you have stop to take pictures, the videos. After you can switch through the river, no problem, because you have 3 people for one quad. After you finish the quad and these activities, you go to last stop in dinner. For dinner, guys, we have Moroccan food. For example, we have Moroccan soup, Tashin chicken vegetables, and couscous vegetables. After we finish the dinner, we have spectacle, Moroccan spectacle. For spectacle, it's Berber music, the single spectacle, they play in fire show. You understand? Everything? Do you have questions?
Now we have a 30 minutes break in the middle. So
No, no. Please. Is that good bike to walk though? You walk now.
Thank you.
1 kilometer.
Oh, okay, thank you. Oh. Thank God.
Just like a honey type or something.
What's the end one?
This is gonna be a fun one. Yeah, that's all. Oh, this one is traditional things. Most important things.
Yeah, you can go there. Guys, everyone here speak English?
Yes, yes.
Okay, please, can you come closer here? Okay guys, as you see, here we have the traditional way to and turn. This one, if you like also to take a pictures with the ladies, you can have a seat.
Which way? This way?
Yeah, yeah. Next.
The same, right or left, as you like.
Yeah.
Then we take the oil, this is the leftover, the rest. By this one we are making the black salt, the same scrub that we are using in Moroccan hammam to remove the dirty skin. And for example guys, this oil you can use it for
skin,
eating
yeah,
and for cooking as well. You can mix it with avocado or you can put it just in the salad, for example. And it's amazing also for the people who
These are the orders.
Okay, here we have the cosmetic products. I will start in by the oils. Here we have guys just the pure argan oil. That one it doesn't have any smell, it's the plain one. You can use it for everything like acne, stretch marks, pigmentation problems, for dry hair, for moisturizing the hair. It's amazing also for anti-dandruff. Here we have another one but it has a perfume like the oud one. It's for men for moisturizing the beard after shaving or body or the hair as well. I will give you the first, the gardenia. Yeah, this is the old one. You like to try your smell? Then you can. Thank you so much. For women, it's for body. For men, it's for hair and for beard as well.
We go for now is camel ride, and then we will be late night dinner. Omar?
أنا ماسك الكور كاملة.
بسم الله بسم الله. Oh. More careful. Relax. Yalla habibi, yalla habibi.
Tiens-toi bien, tiens-toi bien.
بيت بحلول
We have a nice fun. And that one is coming in behind me, just like here. Look, where is it? Where is it? Here, this one. Say hello to my camera.
Yes. Je vais tourner vers la droite. On a une montée.
Guys, I'm used to with the camel right now. Anywhere I go, I will go for the camel ride now. Ahlan wa sahlan. Thank you very much, brother. The camel one is finished now, and we came for a quad bike now. I think it's, oh, look at this. I will be the first one. Don't come in the back. Just move forward. Yo, 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 yo. Ya habibi, yalla. Yalla, baby! Yo, 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 yo! Yalla, habibi! Now is, guys, the dinner time. So we will do the dinner now.
How are you feeling?
Tired. That's the potatoes, and what is inside is chicken. guys, the day is completed today. This our first day was in Marrakesh.
No, she said
So we will go tomorrow.
I said I'm here and you said yeah.
Another day tomorrow will be the second day.
So I actually changed
So
my whole
hopefully we see
personality.
you later.